A friendly nation has expressed interest in procuring the 110 km range Astra Mk2 air-to-air missile for its Su-30 aircraft. Swedish firm SAAB has said that Gripen E is perfect fit for India's MRFA requirement, as it offers the latest technology, competitive pricing, and a comprehensive Make-in-India package with complete transfer of technology. 2 boxes containing 54 detonators were found abandoned on a platform at the Kalyan railway station. Prime Minister Modi will lay the foundation stone for construction of ISRO's second spaceport on 28 February. Malaysia and India are in discussions to strengthen its defense cooperation, as both sides operate Su-30 fighter jets and Scorpion-class submarines. Azerbaijan has signed a $1.6 billion deal to purchase Chinese-origin JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets from Pakistan. The 5th edition of India-Japan Joint Military Exercise will be conducted from 25 February in Rajasthan. The Cabinet Committee on Security has approved a 7,000 crore rupees deal for the procurement of Sudarshan close-in weapon systems for the Indian Air Force. It is a state-of-the-art short-range air defense system developed by private sector firm Larsen & Toubro that has a firing rate of 300 rounds per minute and features a 3D AESA radar with 360-degree surveillance coverage that can hit drones and low-hovering helicopters at a range of 3.5 kilometers. The Cabinet Committee on Security has cleared 6,000 crore rupees deal for the procurement of 12 new high-power radars from Larsen & Toubro for the Indian Air Force. The radar will be similar in design to the Aegis, and each radar face will have more than 2,000 transmit-receive modules, and will be capable of detecting a J-10C-sized target at 450 kilometers. The Cabinet Committee on Security has approved the 5,300 crore rupees project for the local production of new Advanced RD-33MK engines for the MiG-29 UPG fighter jets of the Indian Air Force, which will be manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics with Russian collaboration. The RD-33MK variant develops 7% higher thrust, increased service life of 4,000 hours, and is also smokeless unlike earlier RD-33 engines. The assembly jigs and fixtures for Tejas Mk2 program will be ready by late 2024. That will pave the way for assembly to begin by the end of this year. The current plan aims for a Tejas Mk2 rollout by the end of 2025, followed by its first flight in 2026. Hindustan Aeronautics and Aeronautical Development Agency have 2 years to clear the aircraft for basic weapon integration, enabling limited-scale production by 2028, while the Indian Air Force has taken charge of clearing advanced weaponry in separate phases. Officials have said that the deal for local production of F-414 engines for Tejas Mk2 and AMCA programs will be signed before June 2024, and the delivery of the first batch of engines will start by mid-2027. The deal is valued at nearly $1 billion and will include an impressive 80% technology transfer, encompassing hot end coating, crystal blades, and laser drilling technology for the F-414 engines. Today's top 3 comments.